Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be talking about my recent photography struggles and how I overcame them. Firstly, I'll talk a little bit about how this came about. When I say struggles, I'm not talking about technical struggles or anything like that. I'm talking really my own motivation to get out and to do photography. After we came back from our holiday in Fuerteventura in December, we were straight into Christmas and then the New Year. Outside the weather was pretty terrible. We had a lot of rain, just really didn't feel motivated to go out. I don't have a lot of gear that is weather sealed apart from the TG6, so that was limiting the type of photography I could do if I really wanted to go out. Plus I was overloaded with my side project. I think I explained in the last video, my second YouTube channel, Out and About with Andy, is travel based, and obviously we'd come back from Fuerteventura with a load of videos to edit. That channel is partly one of the reasons why I've become a little bit less enthused with photography, and that is the fact that a channel with 600 subscribers is getting over twice the amount of views that this channel gets. And when that kind of happened, the doubts were starting. Was I really good enough to be showing my photography to all you guys? And yeah, it was a little bit of a confidence knock. Bizarrely though, that's actually turned around and become the thing that actually inspired me again to get out with the camera. Because what happened was we decided a few other YouTube channels in the same type of genre as mine, where we'd go out for days out and hiking and all sorts of other stuff, which is also a feature of Out and About with Andy, and we'd arranged a group meet. So I was vlogging it for that channel, and I did consider should I vlog it for the photography channel, but as I say, didn't really have the motivation. I did take a camera along, and that ended up proving to be the catalyst, and the images I'm going to show you today were the ones that I took on the day, because I wasn't pressured into doing a second video on the same day, and that meant I was just free to take the photographs I really wanted to take. I really enjoyed the day out, enjoyed doing the video for the other channel, but at the same time really enjoyed just doing the photography for me, for my own pleasure. And yeah, that's really helped, and I think you can see that in some of the images. So I'll show you the images now. The location is Grimwith Reservoir in North Yorkshire. Again, not particularly a honeypot location, especially when you think you've got Grassington close by with Linton Falls, and you've got Brimham Rocks at the other side of it, and this reservoir is somewhere in between. But it turned out to have some really good opportunities for photography, and I'll put those on the screen now. You can enjoy that and a little bit of B-roll, and we'll come back after those.
feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So those were the shots. I was really happy with them. I'd like to know what you thought of them. The camera is immaterial, I guess. Really, it was about getting out and taking photographs. It didn't matter what I was shooting with. The camera in question was the FZ1000, for those of you who really need to know. We did go off to Linton Falls afterwards, and I did a couple of shots which I've included as well, which is probably why you thought, hang on, that's not a reservoir. I shot handheld all the way around the reservoir. There was no pressure to do great photography as far as I was concerned. I was just there shooting what I wanted. It was great fun, and I think with not having the tripod, it was more freeing in a way, just to shoot what I wanted. And yeah, I'm happy with those shots. So if you have a particular favourite image, do comment down below. I really love reading everybody's comments. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, please, you know, the usual thumbs up, subscribe, all that type of stuff. But I think the important thing to take from this video is, if you aren't feeling great about your photography, just take the camera out, no pressure. Don't worry if you're not going to come back with some good shots. It's about getting out and getting your mojo back. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.